the way leaders are perceived differs significantly between these two worlds. In the seven-centered paradigm, displays of anger and assertiveness were often seen as signs of strength or authority. However, in a nine-centered world, those kind of behaviors may be viewed negatively or as barriers to genuine communication and collaboration. So, really diving into these differences, you can now feel the valuable insights into how leadership styles, depending on your role and what your desires and your goals are, how these styles have evolved alongside these shifts in human consciousness from one paradigm to the other.